Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Today is our last day in Raja Ampat. Actually, tomorrow we make the journey back to Sorong, and then from there we head back to Jakarta and a few more stops along the way before we hit the United States. But finally, we have a beautiful day. Lots of sun. It is clear. It's going to be super nice. Apple and I, we are going out on a snorkel day. We're going to go to some really nice spots. We will show you guys what we see, but it's really a nice way to spend our last day. Guys, this is pretty cool. The tide is going out, I believe, so more of this little sandy spot will be exposed in a little while. But just standing just on the top of it, very shallow, in the middle of nowhere, it is really wild. Apple's having a lot of fun. It is our last night here in West Papua, and we are having an amazing meal with friends. I have to show you guys this food. It is awesome. Oh yeah, I'm leaving somebody out. We're doing seafood, all kinds of mixed seafood. We have clams and crabs. We have tuna.
Tuna jaw.
Tuna jaw. We have squid. And it is just a feast, and we are all very hungry. Let's eat. Lose you.